Network automation has come a long way. Are you ready for the next game changer? Symphonica Cloud, the future of network automation. Symphonica is an agile and flexible orchestration engine that lives in the cloud, a simple and convenient orchestration and service activation option for communication operators seeking to streamline network automation processes without investing in time-consuming and budget-heavy infrastructure projects. Our service orchestration engine is ready to serve with pre-configured workflows and pre-built endpoint integrations that securely facilitate a faster and simpler service launch. In addition, Symphonica provides a no-code design studio that enables a quick and easy configuration and deployment of new orchestration and automation processes. No coding needed and no risky software upgrades required. With Symphonica Cloud, you can decrease deployment and service launch times, reduce deployment and maintenance costs, and you don't have to worry about system administration, software upgrades, and platform availability and scalability. You can rest assured your network elements and customer data is protected with secure links and VPN tunnels. Onboarding is a breeze, from sign-up to network automation in minutes. Sign up for your account. Choose your tenant domain name and provide basic information about your project. Your service instance will be automatically created and set up. Configure your VPN and get connectivity to your network. Get access to our expert training and support. And voila, you can start automating your activation processes. Take the complexity out of network automation with Symphonica Cloud, so you can focus on your business. We'll take care of the rest. Create a free account and start with Symphonica today.